Hello boys and girls, it is Miss Mulkern again. This week we have a Unit 4 test later in the week, and I just want to review some of the key terms to make sure we understand. So one of the things that I want to start out reviewing is main idea. So main idea is the same thing as central idea. Same words, same meaning, but different words being used. So you have main idea, and it means the same as the central idea. What it's mainly about, what it's centered around. So again, just to review, main idea is what the text is mostly about. The details, there are details to support the main idea. In my class, we always talk about there being a table with 4 legs coming down, and sorry, my drawing is not that great. Oh man, that is horrible. Anyways, so we talk about a table and how it has 4 legs, and this being the main idea. And the table, the legs are your details. Without your details to support it or your proof, then you don't have a main idea. So I wanted to look at a text today that I'm reading with my students in some of my reading groups. This book is called Pink Lakes and Other Shocking Sights. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit, make it a little better. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, Pink Lakes and Other Shocking Sights. This is enjoyable. It's nonfiction. We are loving it so far in my reading group, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So I want to kind of just go to one section because it is nonfiction. You can kind of pick a section and read about it. And we're going to read about the Pink Lakes today so we can find the main idea. At the end of this reading, we should be able to come up with what is the central idea of the text. And we're going to do that together. So it says Pink Lakes. This is our heading, Pink Lakes. Pink is the color of bubblegum, flamingos, and cotton candy. Not lakes, but Lake Hillier in Australia is no ordinary body of water. It is one of about 10 lakes in the world that look like a strawberry milkshake. The lake's water looks much clearer in a glass, but it's still rosy like pink lemonade. Do not take a sip, however, the colorful water may remind you of a sweet drink, but your tongue will be disappointed. Lake Hillier is one of the saltiest lakes on earth. Okay, so we learned a little bit about this Pink Lake. So I want to take this Pink Lake and I want to kind of make some notes. Remember, our question that we are focusing on is, what is the central idea of the text? Remember, what is this mostly about? So if I want to look at this, and I'm looking at my heading where it says Pink Lakes, what is our text mostly about? Well, our central idea is that what it's mainly about, these 2 paragraphs, is providing information I'm going to abbreviate. Oh, do I have room here? Providing information about Lake Hillier. And I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Hillier. Well, that's my central idea. If I said I want you to prove it, what evidence tells you that it is providing information about Lake Hillier? Well, what's one detail? What is something that we learned about Lake Hillier? Well, we learned that it is the saltiest lake on earth. So we learned that it is salty. Okay, don't drink it. Another detail is that it's very rosy. It looks like pink lemonade. So when you take a glass and you go into this lake, it's actually going to look a rosy color, kind of like pink lemonade. Did we learn where it was located? We did learn where it was located. It said Lake Hillier in Australia. So I'm going to say it's located in Australia. Okay, so let's look back to our central idea. Our central idea is that this is most about providing information about Lake Hillier. Our details to support some information that we learned. It was salty, it was rosy, pink lemonade color. I'm going to put colors, not really pink lemonade. And it's located in Australia. I believe that's all of the details to support providing information about Lake Hillier. So when you have a nonfiction text, this heading and the paragraphs are going to help you come up with the central idea, what it is mostly about. Now you're going to try it on the next slide.